Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products in Wix website. So let's get started. So right now you can see in here that I have opened a website which is a store right here. So you can see in here the tier addresses, this is the store right here, and I have classified my store type. So from in here, I can just head over and look for the products right here. So here's our products right here. Click on products under that. And in here, it will actually head me over to the products right here. I have 12 products right here, total of 12 products. And in here, in order to add a new product, you can actually head over and click on new product right here. Then from in here, just choose whether you want a physical product or a digital file. So for me, I'll just choose digital product or as well as physical product. And then this will load like this. And then from in there, you can actually head over and put in a title for a product. So for this one, I'll just put in t-shirt. And then in here, you can add images and videos. So for me, I'll just choose this, add images. And then from in here, you can upload your own media, or you can also search for Wix Gallery right here for your type of media. So for this one, it will search the Wix media. So for me, I'll just choose this one right here, click on add to page, and then this will be added. So in here, you can add in a description, wherein you can also utilize AI to generate your text. And then from in here, just choose a business type, which is a t-shirt for dogs, for example, or dog lovers as well. And then in here, just put in here adorable and cute. And then in here, you can just click on this button right here to generate your text. And this will provide you options. So just choose the option that you want. For me, I'll just choose this option 1. Click on the use text, and as you can see, it has been added right here. So under this, you can just put the pricing. So for me, I'll just price it at around $7.50. And then in here, I will not put this on sale. And then in here, you can also put in the cost that it takes you to actually create this. So for example, I told it took you $150, then your profit is $600. And then it will automatically generate your margin. Now, when actually people buy this, you will be able to see how much is your profit, how much is your cost, how much is everything. So from in here, you can also add in product options. So let's put in here color. Then choose in color right here. And then let's put in colors in here. And then click on add. And then in here, you can see this track inventory. So make sure to put in shipping weight. So let's put in 0.2. And then in here, you can track inventory by enabling it. And then the inventory unit number can be around 100. That will depend on how much is your inventory. Then from in here, you can also make this right here, the product tax screw, and also the marketing and SEO. So the category, make sure you have here already for all products, but you also create the category where you want to add this into. Once you're done with everything, just click on save. Then once you click on save, it will automatically added to your products right here. So if you want to add more product, just click on this one right here and you should be able to add it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add products in Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!